Hey, this is Michael. Being a train fan here, fan of trains, or as to say, train lover. Here, I'm gonna rename myself to Train Lover. So, yeah, so, that I like about this train is it has silver trucks and everything. So yeah, I had this was $69, 10 price, $10 more for shipping. So yeah, so this it was pretty much basically on how to clean an athearn ready to roll train. So so let's get started. Right now I have it in the box. So let's take it out of the box. Cause I'm gonna clean it. I suggested to be careful because I was doing this last week and I did cut a wire. So be careful. Take the plexus sleeve off the train. Then come on, go. Okay, got the train in the box. Always remove your hand protector so sparkle doesn't catch its fire. I see. Okay, now that let's move all this stuff. Squeeze the things together and the truck should come right off. Oh yeah, take the snowplow off. Cause mine just slides. I don't know what yours is, but mine just slides off like that. See, this comes off. So I'm gonna set it aside. I'm gonna put some more parts there. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle the frame out. I'll taste this wiggling. Okay, now that you're to the. What I'm gonna do is take off the coupler. Set the couplers aside. Put it in there so the coupler frames won't come out. I did break one again. And I was so sad that when I broke it. Okay, so that's couplers. So sorry about my hand. I pulled out both ends. All the batteries. So what I'm gonna do is start with the first one here. I did have to take. So what you're gonna, cause see, I broke one off it. So that I'm gonna repair two. That way they all make contact. So I'm gonna take this little part. I took this little part off because what the heck, it's broken anyway. I don't know. I have to repair that. So I'll take this little cover off that protects the worm. So now you get down to the worm. So same thing for the backside. I'm gonna be really gentle on how I take. So now, something that I'm gonna do to the worm. Cause along. So now, these can set aside for now. Okay, both of the worms. One. So let me get my screwdriver. Again, the worm right here. And right here. These are the two. And this worm are your two drive shafts. Your two drive shafts. So it's what's spinning the. This right here is a drive shaft turning to this drive shaft. You have like 4 drive shafts in your athearn loco. These two right here are 2 drive shafts. This is a drive shaft on that locomotive. So as you can see, I have to repair that too. So what I'm gonna do is because they're connected to flywheels. And to take these 2 flywheels off so what I'm gonna do, for further ado, so what I'm gonna do is take this drive shaft and both of these drive shafts off. So here's how I continually jerk it out. I'm gonna work its way out of there. Come on. Okay. Put it to the side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, so now they should come out of the drive shaft, like right, the drive shaft. Okay, wait, not this one. Okay, now that you got these 2 drive shafts out, now the worms, the truck should really roll freely. Okay, I've got to look for. How about we just put it on here? No. The parts on the floor. So I'm really. Now, what you want to do is wiggle your trucks out. Now the truck should come off free. Hold on. Trucks freely. Okay, now that you got your 2 trucks out of the frame, this will come free. Okay, so now the 2 trucks are free now. So that's what the head is. Okay, so now we're gonna work with these 2 trucks here. So now your things should be rolling freely, which they're not. So there's